Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to enable select to speech options in Realme devices. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to the channel, then subscribe it and hit the like button. So let's start friends. First you have to go to the settings option in your Realme devices. Then you have to scroll down and there is a additional settings in the settings option. Click it and then you see accessibility option in fifth option. Tap on it and swipe, then swipe this. There is a vision option, click on it and you can see select to speech option in second option. Select it and then just enable it. And friends, I show you how it is done. Then click on allow button and it asks for shortcuts, how you can just put hold button, volume and accessibility. So choose this first option, then press OK and then it is enabled. Friends, now it is just click on this speaker option and choose whatever you want to speak. And now it is reading the text which you have hold it. Then if you want to stop it, then there is a option. You can just pause it from here, or you can go to the settings and you can just stop the speaking option from here, and you can simply disable this option from here also. First you have to click on this and then this, and it is disabled. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.